Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch two videos at once on your YouTube TV. So this method is for the people who are watching YouTube TV on their web. So if you're watching it on Chrome or any browser on your web view, then this applies to you. So if you want to watch two videos, for example, if I want to watch Sports Center and I want to watch ABC, so what I can do is I can open this one in another tab, and I can play this one here, and I can join live, and on the other side what I can do is I can open the other tab in another window, and just like that I can watch these two side by side. So this is the way you can watch two channels at once on your YouTube TV on the web. So if you guys are watching YouTube TV on your Android TV or your smart TV, this option is available on the YouTube application, YouTube TV application. But if you're on the web, then this is the way around how you can do it. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.